Automated Dictionary Python Program Examples, created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Let's use the Python idle that will help us create a dictionary for us. You must type 4 dictionary keys and values to create your dictionary. Execute Run the Python program example below to view your created dictionary, along with its variable name. Simply highlight all the blue text output, and then copy then paste that blue Python idle text output back into your Python idle editor. Next, execute Run the pasted Python code and watch it create a dictionary, as if you had created the actual Python dictionary and laid out yourself. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.